Hello. This video demonstrates a stunning knit with a unique texture. The method I employ here is typical of the Cheviot series, a reference to which I'll leave you in the video's final frame. Only 2 rows and 6 loops make up the pattern. 5 stitches make up the knit part, while 1 purl loop makes up the divider. The knit part consists of 1 central loop, 2 on the right side, and 2 on the left. They will be knitted mirrored. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, after the edge loop, knit 1 divider loop. Slip the 2 right loops with thread in the back. Pull up along, loop 1 row down below the central loop, and slip it with a thread in the back. Slip the 2 left loops with thread in the back. Repeat, knit 1, slip 2, pull up 1 long loop from the bottom row, slip 1, slip 2. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. Row 2 right side. Now we are going to pick up these stretches. Purl 1 divider loop. Enter with the right hook under the stretch, knit 2 together through the front, and knit 1. Knit the 2 central stitches together through the back, and knit 1. Knit the second stretch together with the loop through the front. We received this simple figurine. Repeat. Purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Keep knitting this pattern until the end of the row. I have presented you with an extremely elegant and well-textured knit with a tight structure and many application options. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit KnitNotSpace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.